Welcome to Zurich. My name is Hans Fritschi. The weather outside is absolutely miserable. There has been a storm in Germany killing over 100 people, and it is quite miserable here too. That is why I will take you to the tropical rainforest of Zurich. Yes, we have something like that here. Yes, follow me. And here we are already. It is the Masoala Park in Madagascar, and I have taken off my clothes, and you can see this is really a rainforest in Zurich. We reached it by tram. This is the local means of transportation in Madagascar already. But take a look at the reality outside. Here, this is River Seal, and it's you see the grass has been overflooded, and there was so much rain here lately that people believe it was a century flooding that we have seen now, and it's still going on, and there are still areas going to be overflown. This tram is leaving, and the one we want to board is arriving. It's number 6, going all the way up to the Zurich Zoo.
Bahnhof G, Hauptbahnhof.
Well, with the weather outside being so miserable, we really want to fly away to warmer places, and we can do that without flying, just using the local tram by moving to the Mazwala Hall, which is a huge tropical forest in the zoo of Zurich, and it's a fascinating project. This is the tram stop at the zoo, and we are only walking distance away from one of the older institutions in Zurich. Well, we are approaching the Masoala Regenwald. This is the rainforest. The Masoala is a huge national park in Madagascar, and we now enter a tunnel, and you can see on the sides, or you can hear also, the buckle whales which are living in the neighborhood of this Masoala National Park. The temperatures have risen, of course, since we now are in this Mazwala Hall, and it's quite a huge artificial rainforest right in the zoo of Zurich. We could get rid of our extensive clothes and feel like in summer again. Just take a first look and also listen in. Of course, on such a miserable day, we are not the only ones that had the idea to find a refuge in the zoo. There are many children coming here with their parents or with their teachers. You can hear. These are not animals, even though there are many animals living in this Mazwala rainforest. Besides all the plants, we are naturally interested to spot some animals, and that is actually not so easy because they are well adapted to their environment. Here are some water birds and they dive a lot. Knowing from my geese that is probably when they have sexual intercourse. And you see these are some small kind of ducks of Madagascar. Strangely looking ducks. Some more strange birds. And here a mouse marquee. They are difficult to see sometimes, but they are not disturbed by the people visiting here, and you can watch them in their natural environment. They are not kept in cages, but a bit difficult to spot sometimes. And here we make a sensational discovery. This is a chameleon, a very colorful chameleon, one must say, from Madagascar. And it has been living here for 18 years. That is when the Mazwala Hall was built for 52 million Swiss francs, a completely artificial rainforest, 11,000 square meters wide. This is the same size as Discovery Garden Pattaya, as the ones who have been there might have known. There are 50 different kinds of animals, all from Madagascar, housed here, and just as we watch this slow chameleon proceed, the dimensions are gigantic. It's the hall is 30 meters high and has dimensions of 90 times 120 meters, and as I said, has been opened 18 years ago. You can climb up 2 towers up to 18 meters and 10 meters high, and observe the trees on their tops as well. This is the chameleon, and there on the left there is a smaller one, a different, not so colorful as the green-red one we have first detected, but now there are 2 already here in this area. Fascinating, I find. And you get really close to those strange creatures and can fully observe them as they don't move at the moment. Okay, we move up the tower. It's quite a climb here. If you are a bit sensitive about height afraid, you should hold the handle as you climb up the trees in this rainforest, in this tropical rainforest, and people climb down. Here you can see both chameleon from a different perspective, but they are not moving very quickly right now. As you can hear, the children of Zurich, they are quite enthusiastic about these chameleons. we move on, we detect another one, a big one, a chameleon. It's moving a little bit. Hope you can see it. Here you have another cute fellow. And suddenly we see not one chameleon but many. Just listen to what the children say. They are excited, and even if you don't understand what they're saying, you feel what they mean.
Chameleon see. Hallo, hallo.
Houd erop.
Mein Gott. Look, das mal auf. Karma, das ist weg. Ich will das Der ist zu lang. Der andere ist viel schneller. Frau Kessler, kann man ihn mal lassen? Mit dem Blatt. Wieso können wir das nicht? Hey,
Well, this was our excursion or flight from a lousy summer 2021 in Zurich, now 16 degrees. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe to the Hans Fritschi channel on YouTube or Hans Fritschi Friends on Facebook, and see you again soon. Hopefully the weather will be better soon, and otherwise we might flee to the hall that you see in the back. That is the Elephant Hall, Keng Kachang, Thailand Elephant Hall.